Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Saturday, everybody. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Guys, I'm just doing a quick pre-recorded video to show you how I used these decals from the Dollar Tree. Remember these bathroom decals from the Dollar Tree? This is what I used for them. I used this Easter sign from the Dollar Tree. Guys, the first thing I did was, well, let me show you how it came out first. Okay, how cute is this? Guys, it came out so cute. See, I'm trying to, now you can put the decals on any order you want. But, okay, let me just hang this over here a minute. Okay, the first thing I did was I removed these ribbons from the back. And all you need is a little screwdriver to lift the staples up, and they will come right out. So I removed all of those. Oh God, the glitter's horrible. Okay, I removed all of those. Then I did the washcloth thing like I did for the last sign that I did the bloom. So you lay a hot rag on top of each piece of wood, and I would let it set for like 15 or 20 minutes, and then you peel this off. Now, these did not come off as easy as the bigger sign did, so you might have to place the washcloth or rag back on again, wet it, like dampen it, squeeze it out, and place it back on again and scrape the rest off. Then after I had that all done, I sanded them I sanded a little bit, especially the edges, because they're kind of rough. I sanded the edges. Then, after sanding them, I painted them with the white chalk paint by Waverly. And it was a matte finish. This is what I used. It took me 2 coats. And I painted the backs. You don't have to. But I was kind of messy painting. And I didn't like the way the backs looked. So I painted them. So after I painted them and before I sealed them, I took a sticker and I kind of like held it up against it, and it was too stark white. It was just too stark white. I'll show you. Like if I peel this off, let me get one off. I want to show you how it just looked. Now you can leave it white if you want, but ooh, I don't want it to stick. It just looked way too white. I don't know if you could see. It just looked way too white for me. So what I did was the dry brush technique. All you need, whatever color paint you want to use. Now I wanted to use like a grayish color. So I used my Waverly chalk paint in Elephant. And dry brush, all that means is you are going to just dip your brush a tiny bit in there. Well, I got to get some paint on there. Then you are going to wipe it on your paper towel. You only want a little bit of paint on your brush. And then you're just going to go however you want, brush across till you get the look you want. I kind of went a little heavier around the edges on the side. I'm showing you. This is the back. I already did the front. I'm just showing you on the back. Okay, so after that, you dry brush them all. Let me close this back up. I buy these Waverly paints at Walmart. Okay, after you dry brush them, I sealed them just with 1 coat of my Rust-Oleum Matte Clear Sealer. I'm always using this stuff. All right, so after that, you are going to want to flip them over so your backs are facing up like this. I had to figure out how I was going to attach them all back together again. So I want to make sure I'm in the camera so you could see. Okay, so what I did was line your bottom one up like straight. Then I took, look at it, it's all sticking to me here. I took painter's tape and I taped it down in the center. I taped it down in the center. Then I decided I was going to do an inch between each plaque. So then you want to kind of line them up so they're straight. And then I measure an inch from the top of the bottom one and the bottom of the middle one. And I go across to make sure it's straight. Then I take another piece of tape and I tape that one down in the center. And I do the same with the last piece. So you are going to want to, oh gosh, I don't know if you're going to see me here. Okay, let me move you back a little. There you go. Okay, do the same thing. Measure your inch. First, I make sure they're lined up straight. I measure my inch. So I need... I'm just trying to get my inch here. Inch. Okay. Then I tape that top one down. All right. Then you're going to take your ribbon. Now, I use the ribbon that I took off, and I cut my ribbon the length of this. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to be a little too thick. If I should use, maybe I'll use the gray. I think that one's going to be a little too thick. I just cut my ribbon the length of the one I took off. Then you are going to want to glue your end down. And you can see where your staples are on the back here. So I'm just going to glue it there. I'm going to glue it down. You got to make sure you get it straight. Then I am going to glue it down on the bottom of the next one. So you want to glue down at the bottoms and the tops of each one. And I could see where my staples were, so I know where I'm going here. I think I need to glue at the top. Okay, now you will need to make your hoop. You still can't see me here. Okay, you need to make your hoop on the top for your hanger. So, let's see. I don't want my hoop real big. So, I might not use... I think I'm going to make my ribbon a little shorter than the one that was on there. I think I'm going to make it a little shorter because I don't want my hoop too big on the top. Okay. I glued the bottom, well, the top first. Glue down the little top. And then I glued the bottom, and then I work my way down. Just so I know it's not moving all around. And then I go here, and I just lift and glue. Just so I know it's not moving. I got glue strings everywhere. Okay. I think I need seems loosey there. Okay. Now you can peel your tape off. And you can just lift your thing underneath the ribbon. I just lift and pull it out from underneath the ribbon. This was the only way I could figure out how to do them without them moving all over the place. Because they were going crooked on me. So I had to figure something out. Okay. Oops, I forgot to glue that. I didn't glue this one to the bottom. to make sure I get it right. Okay. And there is your hanger. There's your hanger. You can hang it to make sure everything looks straight, or just hold it back. Just hold it back like this to make sure everything looks straight. All right. Then for your little decals. Now you can put them on any which way you want. My hands are terrible. Let's see, maybe I'll do this one different. I think I'm going to try this one different. I got to go the opposite way. Brush your teeth. You want to center it. And then I just rub it really good with my fingers. I want to make sure you can see me. Okay. Let's see. The toilet one just fits. The potty one. Okay. Guys, this is so simple. The longest part is taking the paper off and painting. But you could do something else in between. That's what I was doing. Okay, there we go. Look, how cute is this? I think it came out so cute. I think they came out cute. Oops, I got that staple hanging in the back there. Staples and strings that I need to... How cute is this, right? Okay, so that is it, guys. It's so simple. Just remove your ribbon. Place hot rags on these. Let them sit for about 15 minutes or so. Peel the paper off. If it all doesn't come off, place rags on it again. Let it sit for a couple minutes. You won't need to let it sit that long, maybe 5 minutes. And then scrape the rest off. Give it a little sanding, the sides also. 2 coats of paint, and then I did the dry brush gray on top. You don't have to, and you can paint them whatever colors you want. And spray the sealer, add the ribbon, and taping down was the easiest way I found for them not to be moving around. And then add your decals. Guys, I just love it. Okay, if you like my Dollar Tree bathroom sign, just sprinkle this video, and I'm going to pick, let's see, I'm going to pick 2 winners on Monday, and I am going to send you one of these kits and 1 set of the decals. So I'll pick 2 winners on Monday, and you will receive one of these and the decals to make this cute bathroom sign, guys. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I hope you all like this video. I'll talk to you all later. Thanks. Bye.